Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this SHALLWE Ultralight high back camping chair. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. So here's the chair. Here's the cloth for it. So I said that's the cloth. That's actually the bag for the chair. The cloth is on the inside, but it's the same material. Looks like we have a manual here. So it has an aluminum frame, Oxford fabric for the seat, storage bag. Maximum load is 300 pounds. The weight is 3.19 pounds. Here's the assembly of it. It says open the aluminum alloy frame and set up. Slip the backpack into the short two poles. Insert the top of the rod into the 4 holes in the back of the seat fabric. Correct installation gesture makes you effortless. So let's see how this goes in the bag here. So we can put the fabric in there and then the poles will go in. And that will zip up like that. So we have a loop on either end, and then we have these 2 smaller loops here. So you could use those to attach this to a backpack or something. We'll pull all this out again. So I'm going to kind of pay attention to how this was folded in here so I can try and get it back in the bag later. But it looks like it's folded the long way. So this is the long way this way. And there's a pillow in the top. So it looks like it was just kind of rolled up along that. So this has that Oxford material, and then it has mesh also. Then on the side we have a cup holder on one side and a pouch on the other, and I'll show this after it's all put together too. I'm just showing this up close on my bench because I can show it in detail with better light. I'll take the rubber band off here. So if you've ever had an ultralight chair, usually it has these aluminum poles here, and then they fit into plastic fittings. And the plastic fittings would typically be the weak point, but this does not have plastic. This has aluminum here too. So the center is this big piece of aluminum, and it has these aluminum sockets you put the legs in. Like so. And then it has these big feet on here, like that. It's got metal in the bottom of that feet too, so it doesn't pop through as easy. So that did come off, so you do want to make sure those don't fall off. So all of these pieces will slide together until we have the frame assembled. So it's getting a little bit big for my desk here. So we have the frame set up here. So now we can take the bag the chair came in, and I'll take these loops and I'll slip it over the bottom poles. So it won't fit on both, so I'll just pop that out so I can fit it over. So this doesn't fit over here because this is tapered down. It's narrower in the back. Okay, so that's on there. So that just holds that up off the ground, but you could also store stuff in that. Then to put the fabric on, we have these little pockets here, and we'll put these over the poles. So I'm going to do the top first, and that's kind of off camera. Now I do want to show that these poles have a bend in them. So you want to make sure that bend is the proper way. So it's forward. So we'll go back to the front. We have a pocket here. I'm holding this here and then taking my other hand and I'm bending it in here. Doesn't take a tremendous amount of force. And then I'll do the same on this side. It can help to stick your finger in here and make sure the pocket is opened up. And now we're assembled. So if we look on the side here, we have that cup holder, and then on the other side we have a little pouch, perfect place to put something like a phone. And then here you can see the construction of the chair. So you have the large tube in the middle and all the legs fit into it. So this looks incredibly sturdy. So I've run out of room here on my bench. Let's head outside so I can test sitting in it. Okay, I was going to take this outside, but it's a little windy right now, so I'm in my garage. But I think I can show it all the same. So here we can see the fully assembled chair. So I'll sit down in it. I'm around 200 pounds, 6 foot. So when I sit in it, the back of my head hits the top of the chair, so I can rest my head there. This kind of hugs my side, so my arms could fit on the inside, or it could fit on the outside of it. So I can easily reach the water bottle holder here, and the phone holder here. So those are very accessible. Let me try getting out of it. Okay, that was pretty easy. So I think this chair is very comfortable. Since you can rest your head on the back, you can lay back and relax. I like ultralight camping chairs, but oftentimes your head is hanging out in the breeze, so you have to kind of hold it up. I think this is a nicer option if you want to have the lightweight chair, but also have the support. Also, my other lightweight camping chairs don't have the water bottle holder or the phone holder. I may find some use for the phone holder, but I'll definitely use the water bottle holder. I like to keep my water bottle nearby when I'm camping, and I always have to put it on the ground or near my picnic table. With this, I can just set it right in this pouch. So that's the SHALLWE High Back Ultralight Camping Chair. If you like ultralight camping chairs but want a little bit more, I think this is a great option. It folds up just like a smaller camping chair, but it has that nice high back on it so you can relax a little bit more. So when I sit in a traditional camping chair, I often feel the need to get up and move around a little bit to stretch my neck. I think this is going to be much nicer and much more relaxing. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.